Now, the only harder one, what's always the hardest? Start unknown. So we go back to here. Instead of elapsed time unknown, we go start unknown. And I'd go back to within the hour. And what's the secret when the start is unknown? Don't start at the start if it's unknown. Work what? Backwards. So what could you do? You could go at 7:30 is the end, the result. What's the change? 20 minutes. 7:30 minus 20. So one way to do it is like this. Another way to do it would be to do what? What plus 20 equals 7:30. Everybody agree? It's just like whole numbers again. You can add or subtract. They're related. So here, because we're within the hour, I think it should be pretty okay that if you subtracted 20, you'd get 7:10. And then since that seems pretty easy, you bridge the hour. And I say, okay, I know the end. I know the change. I want to know the start. So if I were to work backwards and I needed to take away 50 minutes, what would I take away first? What would I get to first? The previous hour, which is what? 4 o'clock. So how much time would I need to take away to get to 4 o'clock? 20 minutes. But I have to take away 50 minutes. I've only taken away 20. I got to take away another 30 minutes. What's 4 o'clock minus the 30 minutes? What plus 30 minutes is 4 o'clock? 3:30. Is everybody okay with that? It's all the same after a while.